So over here you can see that I got 3 video clips right here. And if I were to go around and expand out this effect right here, then you can see that I got some effects right here, like this color effect. I'm going to go around and apply out this effect right here on this particular clip right here. And you can see that this is what you have. I can go around and see in this particular clip that the effect has not been applied to this. But sometimes what you want is you want to apply the same effect in all of the clips that you may have. In that case, you need to go around and click on entire movie right here. And once you do that, if you were to go around and apply out one effect right here, then what happens is that the same effect is applied in the other clips that you have as well. And that is how you can utilize the entire movie feature and utilize the effect right here. And you can go around and change around the temperature for that as well. So you can go around and change that out and change around the color as you like right here, just like this. And what happens is that the same is applied all across the clips that you have, which is good for maintaining consistency during your editing. So that is how you can utilize the entire movie adjustment. And if you were to go around and turn this off right here, and then if you were to click on this, then what happens is that now the change is only applied onto this particular clip. So that is how you can utilize the entire movie adjustment effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.